Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews, where we bring you the latest tech reviews, unboxings, and insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting product, the Lenovo XT53 True Wireless Earphones. Are these the budget-friendly earbuds you've been looking for? Let's find out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Let's get started. Here's the packaging. Simple yet sleek, with all the main features listed on the back. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. First, we have the earphones themselves, neatly placed in this charging case. Beneath that, you'll find a USB-C charging cable. Thank you, Lenovo, for not sticking to outdated micro USB, and some pairs of extra earbud tips. And of course, we have the user manual and QC card. The case is compact and lightweight, perfect for slipping into your pocket. The earbuds have a minimal design with a matte finish, which feels premium for the price. The Lenovo XT53 earphones feature an in-ear design with silicone tips for better grip and comfort. They're lightweight, and the build quality feels sturdy for a budget-friendly product. The case has a magnetic lid, which adds a nice touch of security. Another cool detail is the LED indicators on the case, which let you know the battery status. Now, let's talk features. The Lenovo XT53 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable and fast connection. It boasts a range of up to 10 meters and supports touch controls for calls, music playback, and voice assistance. The battery life is impressive, up to 4 hours on a single charge and an additional 18 hours with the charging case. Pairing is straightforward. Just open the case and they pop up instantly on your Bluetooth settings. Now for the sound quality. I tested these with a mix of genres, pop, classical, and EDM, and the results are solid. The bass is punchy, mids are clear, and the highs are decent for earbuds in this price range. These are perfect for casual listeners. The microphone quality is surprisingly good. Even in a slightly noisy environment, the person on the other end could hear me clearly. Great for calls on the go. The fit is secure, and even during light jogging, they stayed in place without any discomfort. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros: affordable price, lightweight and compact design, decent battery life, good sound quality for casual use. Cons: no active noise cancellation. Touch controls can be a bit sensitive. Overall, the Lenovo XT53 delivers excellent value for its price point. So, should you buy the Lenovo XT53? If you're looking for affordable, reliable, and stylish earbuds with good sound quality, these are a fantastic option. They may not have all the premium features like ANC, but for everyday use, they're hard to beat. If you are interested in getting one for yourself, so I will leave the link in description below. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.